What do we take warpaints Fanatics, add a little bit of airbrush medium, and toss it in an airbrush? Let's get to the table and find out.
That's right, folks. What if we tested the warpaints Fanatics in an airbrush? Can I figure out the perfect mixture? Well, we're going to start off by airbrushing some matte gray primer on top of the Human Torch here. Of course, I'm not going to show you all that part. We're going to be starting off with a legendary red, which is a reddish orange. And I tried to mix it up as well as I could. And on the prime setting, it started getting jammed, and then I had to put it just on the completely wide open on the Ultra 2024 airbrush and just, you know, go to town with that. I had some trouble again with the other red I put on, but then the brilliant yellow went on pretty well. I was able to mix it up perfectly, but however it was bubbling back up into the cup, so I don't know if I got the mixtures right. So I only did try these three colors in the airbrush. I'm sure they work perfectly fine if you know how to do the mixture. And if you do, please comment down below exactly how you did it. So what I did is I went back to the resplendent red that I'd used in the airbrush just to come back and clean up some where the yellow went on a little too much on the body of the Human Torch. This is the superhero version, folks, not the zombie version that I painted way before. That will pop up at the end of this video, so you can go take a look at that video as well. Just like I said, I'm just coming back, cleaning this up a bit. Now we're using some very light yellow. It's called ice yellow, by the way, and we're gonna do this. This guy's kind of funny. The artwork is like the opposite of what usually flames are. Usually, where the brightest is at the bottom, but this one, he's the darkest is like the inner part of this miniature. So then the brightest is at the edge of it. Okay, so I'm using this ice yellow here and putting it on the edge of the flames, putting it in the middle of the spots here. Again, this is a quick and dirty paint job, and so, you know, warpaints Fanatics can be used in an airbrush, but like I said, if you have the right amounts. On the bottle for the airbrush medium from Army Painter, geez, it says 1 drop of medium and 2 drops of the paint. No. That clogged up my nozzle very quickly because the warpaints Fanatics are quite thick. All right, here I'm mixing up some basilisk red with some molten lava to get a little bit darker reddish orange color. I couldn't find the color I wanted, but I ended up noticing it was almost the same thing as that resplendent red. Almost. It did darken down a little bit. And now I'm using a orange wash to come in on all the flames on the bottom part anyways, and some little areas too, just touching it up a bit. And then with the lava orange, doing a glow effect underneath on some of his face, around his head there, just around where all the yellow spots were, to make him glow even more. And just like that, the Human Torch from Marvel Zombies, a Zombicide game, has been painted and ready for the table. Again, guys, if you know the perfect recipe for Fanatics paints in an airbrush, comment down below, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. I want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.